Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of how to save the bookmarks in Firefox. This is a great way to ensure you have a backup of your important bookmarks or to transfer them to another device. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Start by opening Firefox on your computer. Make sure the browser is running smoothly and ready to use. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, locate and select Bookmarks. A new menu will open with more options. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and click on Manage Bookmarks. This will open a new window called the Library. Step 5. In the Library window, look at the top menu bar and find the button labeled Import and Backup. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 6. From the drop-down, select Backup. This option will allow you to save your bookmarks as a backup file. Step 7. A File Explorer window will open, asking you to choose a location to save the backup. Navigate to the desired location, such as a folder on your computer or an external USB drive. Step 8. Optionally, you can rename the file to something memorable like Firefox Bookmarks Backup. Once you're ready, click Save to finalize the process. And that's it. Your Firefox bookmarks are now saved as a backup file, ready for safekeeping or transfer to another device. Thanks for watching.